This is a video inspection of a 2006 Haas VF-2SS. As you'll see, this machine's got the 24 pocket side mount tool changer, 12,000 RPM. It's a 30 horsepower machine, 1,400 inches per minute rapids. Right now we are moving X, Y, and Z in a 25% rapid. We're going to increase that to a 50% rapid. And a 100% rapid. And now we'll do a couple tool changes. And we'll do a quick walkthrough around the machine. The machine is super clean inside and out. The machine was in a prototype facility in Northern California. It's got approximately 2,000 hours on it. Coolant tank. Inside the control. The serial number here, 1051808, is built to look like 8 of 06. And here we'll show you the hours. There we go. That concludes our video inspection of a 2006 Haas VF-2SS.